Okay, hello guys. In this video, we will learn about Python commands. Python commands can be used to explain Python code. Python commands can be used to make code more readable. Python commands can be used to prevent execution when testing code. Okay, we will learn how to creating a command in Python. Command starts with a sign. And Python will ignore the code. For example, you can see the image and the comments can be placed at the end of the line and Python will ignore the rest of the line. For example, you can see the image. Okay. A comment does not have to be text that explains the code. It can also be used to prevent Python from executing code. For example, you can see the image. Okay. Then multiline comments in Python. Python does not really have a syntax for multiline comments. To add multiline comments, you could insert a sign for each line. For example, you can see the image. Okay? Or not quite as intended, you can use a multiline string. Since Python will ignore string literals that are not assigned to variable, you can add a multiline string or triple quotes in your code and place your command inside it. For example, you can see the image. As long as the string is not assigned to a variable, Python will read the code, but then ignore it and you have made a multiline command. Okay, let's now we will create a command from start. You can go to this and type cmd. Okay, type Python. In previous video, I have created about how to install Python. So if you not already install Python, you can watch my previous video. Okay, comment. This is a comment. See, the code is print hello. The code is executed and this is not print word. This is a comment. Okay, the syntax is executed and this command is not next. Same. Next, you can add multiline comments using this style. Next, comment, second comment, and last comment. Okay, the comment is not executed. You can use triple quotes. That might be this is a comment. How are you today? I am fine. Wait. This is a comment. Okay.